Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to remove a section in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and to remove a section in your Squarespace site, first log in to your account by filling your email address and password and hit login. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Now click on pages from the left side menu in order to locate the page you want to work on. Let's work on this about page, for example. In order to delete a section in this page, first you need to click on this edit button from the top. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bainsexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And now you are in the editing mode. Click on the section you want to remove. Let's remove this section, for example. Once it's selected, this remove button appears. Click on it, confirm your selection, and don't forget to save your work from this corner. And this is how to remove a section in Squarespace.